What is going on, guys? Welcome back into a brand new video here on my channel. I wish you a successful new year. I wish you complete all your goals that you want to achieve. In this one, I'm going to share you my goals for 2020 because in my last video I shared with you how to set and achieve your goals. So in this one I thought I'll share my goals so I can look back at this video at the end of 2020. But if you are new here, if you don't know me yet, my name is Gessi. I'm an 18-year-old college marketing student, and in this channel I upload lifestyle videos documenting my life as a college marketing student and also showing you that it's possible to have a side passion and a side hustle apart from your university career, because I truly believe that it's not okay to put all your eggs in the same basket. If you haven't seen my latest video or my first video of 2020, I'm gonna link it up here, but in that video I shared with you how to set up and achieve your 2020 goals. So I'll suggest you go through that video first, and if you have more time, please make sure to enjoy this one where I share my whole goals for 2020. However, if you haven't set up your 2020 goals yet, make sure that those are smart goals. You are being specific and that you truly believe that you can achieve that one. So let's jump straight into my 2020 goals. I've got here my iPad, I've got everything written down, and as soon as I record this video, as soon as this video goes live and I'm truly happy with my goals, I'm gonna write them in a whiteboard and actually put it in one of my walls at my room so I can visually see it every single day, so I can get one step closer to my goals. So everything that I've got written down here are specific goals, are goals that I truly believe that I can achieve in 2020 and that I'm going to achieve them. One good thing that I'm really happy about, I've got all these goals written down in specific categories. So we are going through categories like social media, income, freelance, collaboration, inspire people, health, and business. Each goal that I'm going to talk about should go inside one of those categories. Alright, so starting first with my social media goals, and I truly believe that if I put in the work, I am going to reach 25,000 YouTube subscribers. Also, I'm going for 52 YouTube videos during 2020. That means one video per week. I'm going to do my best to make that happen. Also, I've put here 5,000 followers on Instagram, then release 3 digital products, and also hit 250,000 views in 1 month through all my videos here on YouTube. I just want to go for that record. It doesn't mean that I'm hitting that every single month, but I just want 1 month to hit 250,000 views. Then we go through my income goals, where I want to hit $1,000 in a month with passive income. This is, as I said before, this is just for 1 month as like my little record. It's not that I want it every single month, even though it will be great. So $1,000 in a month with passive income. Make more than $20,000 this year. That's my ultimate goal for 2020. I want to make more than $20,000. Build 3 income passive streams. I'm sure that I'll be able to do that. So I want to learn as much as possible about investments. So one of my goals is to invest in the stock market and build a dividend growth portfolio where I'm going to be investing 40% of my total income. Another goal is start an IRA. That's my whole goals for my income section. And then we've got my freelance goals. So if you are new on the channel, if you don't know, I'm also a freelancer. I provide social media and video editing services, and I would like to work with 3 big companies, build my team. So everything that I'm doing right now, I'm basically doing on my own. So I'm a freelancer, but I'd like to build a team so I can go and reach way more clients. And then I would like to at least be flyed by one company to help them out in person. I've worked with different companies. Some of them have been big, some of them have been small. Everything that I've done with them, I've done them online. So I would like to be flied out by one of those companies and actually work with them in person. So those are all my freelance goals. Collaboration and friends. I would like to make more friends and collaborate and create content with similar creators. One other category that I've got right here is inspire people. I want to create unselfish content that is actually valuable to other people, because I think that's why I really didn't grow when I first started my YouTube channel. I was just putting, one day I was putting a video, a gaming video, another day I was just documenting my life, another day I was just talking about something else, something that people do not search for and that people actually may not like because there's nothing valuable to them. So in 2020 my goal is to make valuable content for other people and provide as much value as possible for all of you. And then another one is to have 50 people say that I've helped them. This will mean a lot to me. So if I've helped you with any of my videos, please drop a comment down below. It will mean a lot to me. And then health goals. I'd like to sleep 6 hours a day, clean up my diet to get the body that I want. I want personal development, and I would like to work smarter and not harder. And then the last category that I've got right here is my business goal. I want to start a clothing brand, I want to build my team, and I would like to document that whole process of me starting with my business and actually seeing what is going to happen. I've been saving up for this project for years right now, and I would like to really make it happen in 2020. So if you guys want to follow along, make sure to drop a subscribe down below. It will mean a lot to me. But my ultimate goal that I've written right here is to stop waiting around, is to stop putting excuses. And I've written, good things don't come to those who wait, but to those who start and persist. So that's it for my 2020 goals. If you enjoyed this one, as always, make sure to leave a like. If you are new on the channel, if you share the same goals and beliefs as me, make sure to click that big red subscribe button. It will mean a lot to me. It will help me a lot to actually keep making these videos and provide value to you guys. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Peace.